Hello, I'm Philip Pilkington. I just wanted to do a review and an unbox on a product that I've bought for myself. I use Nikon camera equipment, and this is spare batteries. So I went for a third-party option because Nikon's batteries are quite expensive. But I have got two of them, and I just thought I wanted to just try a third party, see what they're like. So I went for Rav Power. So this is the box it comes in. I bought it off Amazon. So there's two batteries and a charger in this. Now I didn't need a charger, but this one is a USB charger, so I just thought that might actually help when going on location and things like that. So yeah, I bought it off Amazon. I don't know whose fault this is, if it's come out the factory like this, but it's quite dirty, the packaging. I'm not a snob, so I'm not. I mean, you know, I prefer it to be clean, I think. Let's get it open and have a look. The packaging's okay. It's nothing to write home about. Just a little thank you and support numbers. Activate your privilege service, which is like a warranty thing as well. That's nice. Quite like these little baggies. I mean, there's nothing special, but comes a little protective covers, which is good. I know it's needed. This is the charger, so it's actually quite small for a double charger, which is good. Comes with a USB cable. You know, even when you buy mobile phones now, they don't come with a USB cable, so that's good. Mobile phones are expensive. Okay, so it's mini or micro USB. So I'll give these a charge and I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, it's been a while. I started this video pre-COVID and I'm only just finished it now. Just been doing other things. I finished the video and it's about these Ravpower DSLR batteries. This one is for Nikon, but I'm just giving you my review, and it's probably good having such a big gap, because when I started the review, when I first bought these batteries, that was around 2 years ago, or maybe even longer than that. So I have been using them quite a bit to give you quite a lengthy sort of test period on these batteries. So one thing I can say is they are actually pretty good batteries, especially for the price. Because I've got two Ravpower batteries in, and I bought from Amazon. Now I'm not necessarily seeking lots of returns on my YouTube videos, so you go and find your batteries from wherever you want. I mean, I got them from Amazon. I'm not having an Amazon link, purposely so, because I don't want this to be about just promoting some product that I don't really believe in. Now, it's not even like I have strong feelings towards these batteries. It's not like they're the best ever. They're just practical and cheap, and there's two. So the Ravpower batteries, in my opinion, they're not as good as genuine Nikon batteries, but they have served me well. They don't quite last as long. I use a Nikon Z6 camera, so it's mirrorless, and the screen is on a lot, so they do wear down quite quick in battery time. But the Nikon ones do, the battery doesn't last ages either, mainly because of the screen on the back. But they don't last as long, but they're fine. And the only issue that I have seen is that if you half charge them, when you put them in the camera says they're fully charged, and then when you're using it, you're thinking, oh, why has it drained so quickly? If you do forget that it was only half charged. So that's the only issue I've had. You need to really make sure that it has had a good charge before you put it in your camera. But except for that, I think they're actually really good. And I think I would buy them again. They do seem to be a pretty decent brand, as in you do see them in quite a few places. They are all over the place on Amazon. But yeah, I would recommend people purchasing these if you're not going to buy the branded DSLR batteries, the original brand, whichever camera maker you use. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope it's useful information for you. If you can, check out my other social links just to see my work, because I am an active photographer. That is my role. That's my job. So if you look at my Instagram and my Facebook social media channels, it's both under Philip Pilkington. That's my name, and that's all one word. But also check out my website. So that's www.philippilkington.com. But if you have enjoyed the video, please give us a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks. Bye.